how to put one name on Facebook. For that, simply you need to open the Facebook application and then you need to tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on gear icon at the upper right corner. After that, tap on see more in account center. Here you need to tap on profiles. You need to select the account. Now here you need to tap on name. On this page you can see my first name and last name, but here we need to make only single name. So simply you need to delete this last name and just put a space here. After that, tap on review change. So here it is written that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So simply tap on review change. The changes have not been made. So what you need to do is go back to the Play Store of your device and you need to download one application, that is BBN Late. Let's search for this. You need to install this application on your device. Once the application gets installed, you need to tap on open. You need to allow BBN to send you notifications. Now tap on accept to accept the terms of services and privacy policy. Here you need to quick connect. Here you need to simply select Indonesia and now you need to select Jakarta. You need to connect to it and after it has been connected, go back again and go to the same page of Facebook. When you get on this page, you can simply edit the first name as well, and for the last name simply tap on the space bar and tap on review change. Now here you can easily find that I have set a single name on Facebook. So now tap on save changes. So now you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. Now you need to tap on continue and enter the password. After you have done with entering the password, in this way you can easily put one name on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.